Imagine competing against other traders, gamifying your trading experience and at the same time winning prizes. Wouldn't that be great? If so, get ready to take your trading experience to a whole new level. My favorite feature by far is the battle. This feature allows you to compete with other traders and earn points. The rules are simple. You only need to predict Bitcoin's direction in the next 5 minutes and go long or short. Players who predict the opposite direction will be matched against you automatically. In each battle, the users can collect points regardless of the outcome. How to get started? Click the Battle tab located on the Derivatives drop-down menu of Binance's trading interface. To begin a battle, choose the contract size and direction. Select Long if you expect prices to rise within the next 5 minutes, or select Short if you expect them to fall. As long as you predict the right direction, you will win. It's time to test how good you are against some of the best traders in the game. Join battle now!